And hello guys, welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to discuss to you and I finally experienced the Lamborghini because I just borrowed it from my mom. This is iPhone, yeah, this is iPhone. It's iPhone, bro. It's iPhone. Tapos, nakuha ko to. Excited ko na, ano siya. I'm so excited to try this. So, hear the sound it. I just opened my account in here, in this device. And, I just bought the Lamborghinis. Yo, there's someone chatting me. But, don't worry. My mom is about 2 phones. And, hear the sound. Hear it. Just wait and there we go. Just hear the sound. Cool. It's pretty cool. It's so cool. Let's go in the next one. Let's go. This one, okay. Let's try this one. I don't pretty sure. Oh my god. Look at that interior, bro. Look at that interior. That's so nice. That's so nice. That's really nice. Okay, guys. Let's go in the Lamborghini Aventador. Hey, that's cool. Oh. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, let's go. I finally experienced how to drive a Lamborghini. But let me a little story about you guys. Just a little story about this. No. Wait. I'm going to tell you a little story about the Lamborghini in Android. The Lamborghini Android in maybe 2020, the Lamborghini is not removed. The year 2020. But in the year 2024, I think, the Lamborghini is removed from the Android. And should we be in the next update is the Lamborghini in the Android is finally back, please, bro. I want it. I want back. I don't need to buy a iPhone for just car parking multiplayer, bro. But and the good news, the City 2 is going to be a cool map again. It's going to revamp later in the next update, but let's go. Let's go. I finally want this to backing. I want to back this in Android, please. Please, bro. I want it. Oh yeah, let's try the Lamborghini Urus now. Yeah, let's go. This one. Finally, I'm going to hear this. But let's hear it. Finally. Oh, it's not bad. Wow, my God. It's not bad at all. Let's take a look from the interior, I think. Wow, the interior is so good. I'm looking in the camera right now. There we go. A little crash. But yeah, let's go in the next Lamborghini Huracan for the next one. I finally tried that one. But it's so cool. They have a body kit. No, there's a body kit about this one. Oh my goodness. I finally try iPhone. finally try iPhone and iOS. I thought just if you can hear the sound, just comment, okay? Finally experience it. Let's go for the last Lamborghini. This one, okay? The Lamborghini is so old, bro. I don't experience in Android, bro. I don't experience Lamborghini Android because I'm just a kid in playing this, and I said, this is so ugly game. And past in few years, I finally love CPM, and I said in my mind, why I could just not delete it in the past so I can experience Lamborghini. And now it's done. The Lamborghini is now gone in Android. But yeah, just ignore it. Just watch this. Wait. It's so ugly, this one. Look, I can see. It's so loud, bruh. It's so loud. Oh. Yeah, guys. And I'm so happy to experience Lamborghini in the device. So if you enjoy this video, like and subscribe, and bye bye. Peace out. Bye bye.